So let's start for our today's session. That is the transistor biasing circuit. Biasing circuit. In the last day, we already introduced about the different configuration and that is stability factors for base to collector to base bias and fixed bias circuit. So we also introduced about the stability factors for the different component of IC, the collector current, base to emitter voltage, and the current gain in common emitter mode. We already introduced in the last session. So in that time, we also focus that how does these factors IC that is collector current, the reverse saturation current ICO, and beta, how does this changes with change of the temperature of the experiment? We already introduced in the last day. So on the basis of that, we focus on the stability factors. Now, today we will introduce about the another important circuit, that is the self bias circuit. Self bias circuit, or we also introduce as voltage divider circuit. Self bias circuit or voltage divider circuit. Okay. So at first I shall draw the circuit diagram. So this is the circuit diagram of the voltage divider circuit. In here, we will introduce again the common emitter configuration. In here, where we connected the RC in the collector side, RE the emitter resistance, CB is the bypass capacitor. CB is considered as the bypass capacitor. That is, it block the AC component and generate the DC. C1 and C2, we already focused the C1 and C2 in the last day. That is the blocking capacitor. DC blocking capacitor. It is introduced as the DC blocking capacitor. It is discussed in the last day when we introduce the different type of circuit. So in that case, when we introduce about the Kirchhoff voltage law to define the different stability factors, so for that case, we will introduce the equivalent circuit of this self bias mode operation. So for that case, if we will draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit, otherwise we cannot analysis the forward KVL or KVL. So to introduce the IC, our objective is to find out the operating point as IC, beta, as well as the ICO. So these are the point we will know, and VCE also. ICO, that is the reverse saturation current. Beta is the current gainer when it is the common emitter configuration, and VCE the collector to emitter voltage. So for that case, we will draw the Thevenin equivalent of this one. So this is the circuit. We will draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit as or are requested, please focus in my script. And please join again after this session. After 40 minutes, please join again in this class. We'll continue the class up to 2 p.m. So this is the circuit diagram of Thevenin equivalent of the self-bias circuit. Now my question is, what is the value of Vt and Rt? So this is the Thevenin equivalent voltage Vt, that is Thevenin equivalent voltage, and this is Thevenin equivalent resistance. So can you tell me what is Vt over here? All our students are requested to join the class on time. So what is Vt? What is the value of Vt? Can you find out the Vt, value of Vt? So actually we will just introduce, we will focus the input side, the Thevenin equivalent resistance, if it is a load, and this is the two resistance. So Thevenin equivalent resistance is, what is the Thevenin equivalent resistance? RT equal to R1 parallel R2. That is Thevenin equivalent resistance. And what is the value of the Thevenin equivalent voltage? What is the Thevenin equivalent voltage? Yogesh. Hello. Yogesh, what is the value? Actually, when you define the Thevenin equivalent voltage, then that is the voltage of this R2. Voltage in this R2, if we apply the voltage divider law over here, then R2 by R1 plus R2 into the supply voltage, that is VCC. Vt equal to R2 by R1 plus R2, the voltage divider law if we apply, that is R2 by R1 plus R2 into VCC. So now in here, that is the current is focused, that is IB over here, and this current is considered as IC. Then apply the Kirchhoff's current law. Apply Kirchhoff's current law in the input loop. Kirchhoff's current law in the input loop, then Vt, that is equal to RT into IB plus, what is the Kirchhoff's current law over here? Can you define? Vt equal to RT into IB. Next, voltage drop across base 2 meter. What is the value of voltage drop across base 2 meter? Hello? না না শুনতে পাচ্ছি, অসুবিধা নেই। হ্যাঁ Hello, am I able to hear to all of you? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, হ্যাঁ শোনা যাচ্ছে। Okay, so what is the value of the base 2 meter voltage? VBE, right? VBE plus next is, that is Vt equal to IB into RT plus VBE plus this current is considered as IE into
I mean, RE.
RE, where IE equal to IC plus IB. So VT is denoted as RTIB plus VBE plus IC plus IB into RE. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next. So in the last session we already introduced, that is VT equal to RT into IB plus VBE plus IC plus IB into RE. Okay. So from here we can easily denote it as the what is the value of IC over here, that is VT equal to RT plus RE into IB plus IC into RE plus VBE. So for that case, what is the value of IC? IC equal to VT minus VBE minus, sorry, what is the value of IB? IC minus RE divided by IC into RE, sorry, IC into RE divided by RT plus RE. I repeat again, VT minus IC into RE plus minus VBE by RT plus RE. So we already know the what is the value of IC. IC equal to beta IB for the common emitter configuration. So this is the IB value of IB. So in that case, we know in the common emitter configuration, IC equal to beta IB plus 1 plus beta ICO. IC equal to beta IB plus 1 plus beta ICO. So now if substitute the value of IB over here, then IC equal to beta IB, no, IC equal, now you substitute the value over here, then IC equal to beta into VT minus VB minus IC into RE by RT plus RE plus 1 plus beta ICO. So in here, IC is projected over here. So we can change the side and we will define the IC value. Then IC equal to beta into VT minus VBE by RT plus RE minus IC into RE by RT plus RE plus 1 plus beta ICO. So now we change the side over here, then IC that is equal to 1 plus RE by RT plus RE, that is beta VT minus VBE by RT plus RE plus 1 plus beta ICO divided by, no, not divided by, this one. So IC equal to beta VT minus VBE by RT plus RE plus 1 plus beta ICO divided by 1 plus RE by RT plus RE. So this is the value of IC. So this is the value of the IC. So in this derivation, is there any problem? Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Hello? Hello? Okay, fine. So now we will find out the stability factors. S, that is del IC by del IC by del del IC by del VBE. This S prime is equal to del IC by del ICO, and del S double prime is equal to del IC by del beta. So find out the value and tell me the result. What is the value of this one? Okay. So find out the result.
F is equal to minus beta divided by RT plus RE.
Right. So in that case, you can easily find out the result. So, so it is already defined in your in a view. So you can denote it. So by this way, you can analyze any type of voltage divider circuit. So actually, when we face the any type of voltage divider circuit, in that case, we will first draw the equivalent circuit, and after that, we will apply the KVL. So on the basis of that, we can get the required output result. So on the basis of that, we will focus on numerical problem. On the basis of that, we will just focus on numerical problem. Please do it. I'll just focus on numerical problem. So in here, RC equal to 400 ohm, RB, VCC equal to 15 volt, that is supply voltage, IB equal to, IB is full over here, and this is IC, that is the collector current, this is the RB. So determine the base resistance and the stability factor given in circuit 1. This is a circuit 1, and this is a NPN transistor. We introduce here the NPN transistor, and where we consider beta equal to 100 and IB, the base current, equal to 0.32 milliampere. And you also know if the silicon transistor is made by this silicon semiconductor material is made in this transistor, then VBE is equal to already introduced, that is 0.7 volt. So what is the value of the base resistance, that is RB? Find out the base resistance value and give me the result. Do it first. Apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law over here and find out the result. So in here, in the last day, we already focused about the KVL in the forward loop and this input loop also. So in that case, we will also already analysis the voltage and current respectively in the following branch. So for here, we will want to know what is the base current IB, base current and base resistance we want to know. Oh, sorry, IB is already given, that is 0.32 milliampere. It is 0.32 milliampere. It is already given in the question. So what is the value of the RB, suitable value of the RB, that is base resistance value? Find out the result and tell me the final answer. And also find out the stability factor. Do it. So in here, I just introduce one important thing. That is, so for this reason, in here it is defined as, in this path, if you apply the KVL in the input path, apply the KVL in input path, that is VCC equal to IB into RB plus VBE.
44.6 into 10 to the power 3.
What is the value
RB.
of RB equal to? What is the value?
44.6 into 10 to the power 3.
That is kilo ohm. 10 to the power 3
Yes,
means
sir.
kilo ohm. 40, right. 69 actually. 44.69 kilo ohm. So how does it we'll find? That is, in here we apply the KVL in the input loop, then VCC equal to IB into RB plus VBE. So VCC value is already given 15. Actually VCC, the range of the VCC is 12 to 15 volt. For this type of transistor, and is silicon mix transistor. So that is 15 minus 0.7. 15 minus 0.7 divided by IB. IB value is 32 milliampere. So that is equal to RB into 10 to the power minus 3. So it is definitely 14.3 divided by 0.23 kilo ohm, that is equal to RB, that is kilo ohm. So in that case, we will just focus, the result is 44.69 kilo ohm. Okay. So in the meantime, if we want to know the stability factors, so we also find out the stability factor S prime and S double prime. So what are the value? The respective stability factors. S equal to 1 plus beta, na? Or beta plus 1, that is 101. So find out S prime and S double prime, the values. And in here, in a question it is not asked, but I want to know, can you define the what is the collector to emitter voltage drop? In question it is not mentioned, but I want to know what is the collector to emitter voltage drop. Can you define? VCE.
Yes, sir.
How does he find out the VCE?
सर KVL एट आउटपुट पाथ ले लेंगे.
हाँ. तो इसके हिसाब से कितना होगा? कैसे? तो KVL इन आउटपुट पर
सर VCE equal to VCC minus beta into RB into RC.
VCE equal to VCC
minus beta into IB into RC.
into RC. So it is already given, na? So VCE, that is equal to 15 minus beta is 100. IB is already defined, that is 32 milliampere 10 to the minus 3 into RC का value है 400. So what is the value of VCE? What is the value of VCE? VCE का value कितना होगा?
let's say 2.2.
Exactly. So how does it is defined? I just discussing thoroughly for the other students. So actually, if we apply the KVL in the input loop, then it is VCC equal to IC into RC plus VCE. That is the collector to emitter voltage drop. This is a collector. The terminal will should know that is collector base emitter. So it is a collector to emitter voltage drop. So in here it is a collector, this is a base, this is a emitter. So collector to emitter voltage drop, it is defined over here. VCC equal to IC into RC plus VCE. So for that case, VCE equal to VCC minus IC RC. What is IC? IC equal to beta IB for the common emitter mode configuration. The current gain in common emitter mode, that is beta or HFE, are already defined in the last day. So we consider also the reverse saturation current ISO is very less with respect to the base current. So we can substitute the value of IC over here. So then we will get this equation. So that is why we will get the final required output. Okay, so this type of numerical problem is very, very interesting in your exam. And what is the S prime and S double prime? You know? Time is very, so please find out these 2 or 3 results. Okay, so I will discuss another numerical problem on that, the voltage divider circuit. It is very, very necessary to all of you. So we'll introduce again the voltage divider circuit. This is a problem number 2. That is a voltage divider circuit with PNP transistor is given as, I shall draw a NPN, not the PNP, it is a NPN transistor if you introduce over here. I shall draw again the voltage divider circuit. Okay, so this is the voltage divider circuit we will introduce. Okay, so the value of VCC equal to 10 volt. We have only 10 minutes for this class, so please join again. Okay, so VCC equal to 10 volt, RC equal to 2 kilo ohm, RC equal to 2 kilo ohm, RE that is equal to 1 kilo ohm, 1K, R2 equal to the value of R2 that is equal to 2 kilo ohm, R1 that is equal to 30 kilo ohm, bypass capacitor, this value is 0.001 microfarad, this is output voltage, a beta equal to 100 over here. So in here the question is determine the operating point point of the transistor. So this is a question. So please do it. So at first, what is the value of RT? Is a voltage reverse circuit. Again, we draw the Thevenin equivalent. In the last session, we already discussed about this type of circuit. If you know, then we will just draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit. So for that case, if it is answer, we will introduce over here. Then Thevenin equivalent circuit, R1 and R2. The value of R1 is defined 30K and R2 value is 1K. So what is Thevenin equivalent voltage and Thevenin equivalent resistance? Tell me. V2 by, no, R2 by R1 plus R2 into VCC and RT equal to R1 parallel R2. So what is the value of VT? What is the value of VT? VT का वैल्यू कितना होगा? What is the value of VT?
$6.6 volt.
VT R2 by R1 plus R2, R2 equal to 2 divided by 32 into 10. That is 1 by 16. That is कितना हो रहा है भाई? 6 point?
सर किलो में तो 10 to the power 3 भी होगा.
हाँ 10 to the power 3 kilo is cancelled out ना in a numerator and denominator.
6.6.
सर R2 का वैल्यू तो 1K है ना सर?
सर 1 plus 2 by 3
R2
होगा.
equal to, sorry, 2K. R2 equal to 2K, not 1K. Here it is defined as 2K. R2 का वैल्यू है 2 R2, सॉरी R2 का वैल्यू है, सॉरी R2 का 6K है. and इधर से कॉपी 6K है, 6K. RC का वैल्यू 2K है, R1 is 30 and RE equal to 1, 6K. तो सीरीज कितना हो रहा है? 36. So 1 by 18. R2 is equal to 6 by, so VT equal to 6 by 36 into 10. So kilo is cancelled out in both numerator and denominator. That is 10 by 6 volt. VT equal to 5 by 3 volt. So it is, what is the value of VT?
1.67.
1.67. And what is the value of RT? What is the value of RT? RT का वैल्यू कितना होगा? R1 parallel R2, that is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. R1 R2 मतलब 180 by 36 K kilo ohm.
5.
हाँ, so RT equal to 5K.
5.
So RT equal to 5K. So these two values are already given. So now you will draw the Thevenin equivalent voltage, Thevenin equivalent circuit. So time is less than 1 minute. After this class, please join again the same link within 5 to 10 minutes. All are requested. Please join this class again within 5 to 10 minutes.
रिस्टार्ट होगा मैसेज कर दिएगा सर.
हाँ definitely. That is CE. So this is the circuit we will discuss in the next class because class time is already over. So we will discuss what is the Thevenin equivalent, that is RT equal to 5 kilo ohm and VT equal to 1.67 volt. So next component we will add it in the next class, and we will discuss in the next class for this session. So please join within 5 to 10 minutes for this class. So we will stop the class over here. Okay, so this is the equivalent circuit. Next we will discuss what are the required output for here. We will discuss the next one. Okay, so thank you. So please join again within 10 minutes. I shall message in your WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.
सर ये बुक से सर कौन सा टॉपिक चल रहा है सर?
ये है ट्रांजिस्टर बायसिंग एंड स्टेबिलिटी. Transistor biasing and stability. Okay, thank you. We will join again for the next class. Okay.